to go to La Fogata for the birria. Like, that's the dish you have to try.
Yes, let's go! Oh my god, it's good to see you!
I know.
Woo! It smells amazing! Cheers!
Cheers.
It literally, you can press it and it falls apart.
That's when you know it's been cooking all day. When it's falling apart like that. It's like perfect for the warm weather, for the cold weather. Perfect.
This is so good, bro. Why is it so important for you to be in San Antonio?
I mean, because it's like you're so close to Mexico and the border, and like it just like it makes you feel like you're still like in Mexico.
Yes!
We've been open 46 years.
Wow.
So this is like a landmark. It's something unique, different of Tex-Mex. It's more authentic Mexico.
What is your favorite part about running La Fogata?
The people. You meet all different people for all different types of social and lifestyles. And yes, the reward to see that they enjoy our food. That's what is so rewarding, yes.